Everyone, I'm Amin from Cisco Cyber. Today, we are going to talk about VLAN. What is VLAN and why we need to use? The first question that arises is what is VLAN and why do we segment VLANs? We want to answer these questions very simply yet conceptually. VLAN or virtual LAN means separating or dividing physical layer of network into multiple virtual networks. To better understand and consider a 24 Cisco switch, for example, port 1 to 10, we assign it to financial department. Port 11 to port 20, we assign for cameras, and port 21 to 24 for IT department. This setup divides the Cisco switch physical network into three virtual networks named finance, cameras, and IT. So why segment VLANs? To get the main point first, let us to talk about why we should to use it. One reason is that to prevent broadcast into the network. Second one is to establish security. There are the primary reasons for creating VLANs. And this is important to know what is VLAN and why we need to implement VLAN during setup a switch. But according to the video, please, while you're watching the video, please note my notice and write them because they are important. You can understand and watching the video how I implement or something like that. There are the primary reasons for creating VLAN segmentation network that I said, which are often asked about international exams. VLAN is a network layer 2 technology, so make sure to study VLAN. Uh, Truly, we will address this basic topic in future lessons. Now, let's move to the video. This video recorded live and edited during the project execution. That's why we connected to its using a console cable through the PuTTY software. PuTTY means PUTTY. You can download in comment section so you can find a link to download. And then they comport various different systems. It depends on system, which one open, which one is closed. For us, passport 3, when you connect to the switch with a console cable, you will see a series of live lights, which might sometimes be annoying. With the command conf space t CONF space T, we enter the switch configuration environment. First, we need to create the VLAN. VLANs are identified by ID, so VLAN 350 means VLAN with ID 350. For convenience, we definitely assign a name to it, for example, name CCTV in this project. We wanted to separate the camera infrastructure from the rest of the network, which with the command show VLAN brief your brief, you can see the VLAN you have created. Now we need to assign VLAN that we created to the port to which our camera or recording device is connected. Please note that be sure before starting that changing the default VLAN does not cut off your access to the intended device. You should have a solution for yourself hand. Um, beforehand. With the common interface, for example, gigabit Ethernet of 1/042, we entered desired port. Here our desired port are 42 and 43. With command switch port mode access, we change the mode for our desired port access. By default, all ports are access mode for devices like cameras, storage, phones, computers, or etc. We need to operate in access mode, which means assigning a specific VLAN to a specific V device. The next mode is trying, which will be discussed in interface lessons. Briefly, this mode is used for devices like some VLAN support. Then we assign the VLAN ID we created to the ports. Same port with the command switch port, access VLAN 350. We do the same for the MVR port, which is port 43. In the end, please don't forget to save the configuration after finish and ensuring everything is correct with the command. Please use WR to save your command in the configuration database. With the command show interface status, we can see the status of the port and the VLAN assigned there. Okay, this is all about VLAN. Very simple. I try to learn you very easily to better understand, and that's it. Okay, have a nice time. Please for support us, don't forget to subscribe, like, share our videos with your friend or anyone to learn want to learn. Leave a comment in the comment section, or if you have any question, please do not hesitate to ask. Okay, thank you. Have a nice time. Bye bye.